Hi, I'm Hassan with WTI, and this is the Star Band ring from Pandora. This star ring has gone so many places with me because it's been suitable for every single occasion. I love its quality and its little stars. I think this ring goes well with any outfit. This is how I wear it. I sometimes put it in this finger, sometimes right here, depending on the rest of the rings I'm wearing, and I feel super comfortable with it. It is also very easy to clean. This ring is perfect for gifting. If you have a special person that you want to give a ring to, I think this is a great gift. It's really easy to put on and take off, and it just looks so beautiful. I feel like it's preserved its color throughout the years I've had it. I've gone in the water, pool, ocean, and I definitely love anything Pandora. And yeah, so this ring I wear every day. So if you guys want to have a cute ring like this or give it to somebody, well, this star band is so cute. I love it, and that's my point of view.